Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Know Your Foods. Here we'll be talking about eating healthy, eating right. The aim is towards a healthy lifestyle. So let's get started. So our first YouTube video is about myths and facts about fats. So there are some of the misconceptions and myths about fats, so I'll be clearing it. So the first myth is training abs hard every day will cut fat and get you six packs. No. The fact is, everyone has six packs. It is just a muscle called rectus abdominis. The only reason you cannot see it is because it is covered with a fat layer. You can do 1,000 crunches 7 days a week, but that won't help. The second myth is you can turn your fat into muscles by lifting weights. But the fact is, you cannot change your fat into a muscle. Fat is fat and muscle is muscle. You cannot lose one mass by lifting weights or doing cardio. However, weight training is the easiest way to manage physical appearance. It's just that the more muscles you have, the more fat your body will burn. The third myth is, if you want to lose weight, you need to cut down carbohydrates and fat food from your diet and just keep the protein levels high. The background check is, fat and carbohydrates share the same amount of role in fat loss. Fat is responsible for the production of hormones, joints lubrication, and also many other health and strength needs. Cutting the fat from your diet can harm your health and your goals. Every human body's metabolism is different, so it is important to know how many grams of fat you need to take for a healthy diet. Also, the carbohydrates are considered as the enemy. Your body needs glucose to function, and to some extent the brain needs it to think and function properly. Also, some will argue that our body does not need carbohydrates, but if the right amount of carbs is not taken, it might affect our performances in day-to-day life. The fourth myth is eating fatty food makes you fat. But the fact is, fat does not make you fat. Consuming lots of calories does. Healthy diet contains fat in it and also helping to maintain body weight and to help with metabolic function. Healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids available in virgin olive oil, coconut oil, almonds, avocados, cashew nuts, and in many fishes. If you want to lose fat, you should eat less calories and burn more calories. Simple. The fifth myth is cardio is all I need to do to lose fat. But the fact is, in any gym you go, there is that guy or a girl who does an hour and a half of cardio every day but does not seem to make any changes. So this is a living proof that only cardio cannot make you lose your fat. Regular cardio will become less effective to reduce the body fat. The last myth is if you do a particular exercise, then you will reduce thigh fat or belly fat. But the fact is, the fitness experts and the researchers claim that spot reduction is a myth in a natural way. This belief stems from the idea that gaining muscle mass increases metabolism, leading to a reduction in fat. People think that you can reduce the fat in one area by building the muscle around it. But that's not true. So guys, I hope this video helped you to overcome the misconception and myths by the facts I provided. Also, eat healthy, eat right, exercise correctly, and stay tuned until our next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Know Your Foods for more amazing videos. Tada!